gross my microwave really is. Why is this oven not working? And then after the microwave goes off, let Angry Mama sit for 2 minutes, then carefully remove her by her hand when it is not hot anymore. Pour the extra liquid onto a sponge or paper towel and wipe away the gross skunk. I could use a new sponge, but I don't know. It's pretty gross. Paper towel? I have a paper towel. That's easy enough. I don't see her steaming, but it's also hard to tell what she's doing while she's in there. Well, y'all watch her for 5 minutes. I'm gonna go work on the Christmas tree. Watch Mama do her thing while I try to multitask and cry at the same time. Because everything I own is like terribly wet. Terribly, awfully wet. But we'll see if Mama works. Hopefully Mom is working over there and you're watching her and she's doing her thing. I try to undecorate my Christmas tree. Not crying because I wasn't going to do this yet, but apparently I don't have a choice. Okay, supposed to clean up any problems. I'm tired, y'all. Mentally, physically, just everything. I'll have a little breakdown yet. We'll be surprised. Luckily, I do have a supportive family, which is great. Luckily, I didn't decorate a lot of the tree because unfortunately, it's spray nicely, you can't do much. Not joke, my ankle severely hurts. More than it did when I first sprained it. I still can't bend it normally. I'm starting off 2023 so low. Wonder if she's steaming. I haven't really gone over there to look because I'm so busy trying to do 50 things at once. Okay, Alexa, set a 4-minute timer. Alexa, please set a 4-minute timer.
4 minutes, starting now.
Okay. I think that is everything off of this tree. Oh, I forgot the bag. You can keep watching Mama for a few more minutes, I think. She's kind of gross looking. There is stuff all over her. What even is that, y'all? I don't know why she's wet. I don't know if she works. Oh, okay. I see what you have to do. Hot. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is actually working. Let's try the really gross places that I haven't cleaned. Man. Y'all, it actually flippin' worked. I was very skeptical. I mean, I've not cleaned this on purpose, just for this video. I mean, y'all, look at that. It got spots I didn't even get wore dirty. Well, y'all, that's impressive. Mama, you work. Your directions are gonna go here. I could go complain about something else now. Box of wet clothes. Destroyed duffel bag. More destroyed things, some not. Undecorated tree. I think I got everything off of this tree. Alexa, stop. Okay. I am going to light a candle because it stinks. Maybe it will help. Who knows? It might not help. But you're gonna watch me do it. I'm hoping this will get this disgusting smell out of my space. And yes, I am watching the candle. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just moving these bags. Oh man. Poorly moving these bags. And you're my eyes. So, help me not burn down my house. Just trying to get some of these bags out of here because they're just going to get wet. That one I can't get myself. Really do like these longer ones, easier to light because I can't do the little thing. Okay, I don't feel like it's working. We're gonna put it on the table. And for the safety reasons, it looks like it is out. 100% sure it is out. But just to be on the safe side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. I wanted to make sure it is out. Okay. I am so tired. So not only does the tree have to go, but the bookshelf has to go. My cosplay box, my tarot cards, and other stuff like that box has to go. Water damage, water damage. I am so in a PO'd mood. Water damage is all over. So I'm sitting down for just a second to try to not freak out. Plus, I have to go to the bathroom. Oh, this is really cool. You're over here because you cannot see that. Okay. Let's try just the random one. Okay. What? Chimes and numerals. Okay. Oh, look, I spelled not wrong. So, the really cool thing is this is a type rating. You don't have to put it here. I only did because I just thought it'd be easier. So, the little knobs. Let's see. Okay. Move that. You don't have to put the keyboard there to use it. It's a wireless keyboard. So, like that. Couldn't really show it on my YouTube as well as I was hoping. This is a vinyl record. So, you get a vinyl. You use this to put it down and then put it back up. Turn this on, turns blue, you can listen to your headphones. So that's kind of cool. I can't play you the record because clearly copyright. But I can show you pieces of it. Okay, bye for now.